Hi guys, and for I know the quality is bad right there because it's really dark outside, but now I have the outdoor light on. You can see what it was climbing. It was just climbing really flimsy boards with some nails in them, and yeah, they're really flexible, if you can see that. So it actually did pretty well, and then the crunching was all this wood up here. But let's see if I can do it. I don't think it's lined up, but try anyway. See how it's flimsy. There's our first nail. Bam! It's just broke the wood. Oh my god. Here. Get that out. Oh. Didn't sound really well, but it's fine. Call it a nail. Anyway, it's fine, and yes, I did get lights in. All they are is the LEDs in the bumper. Work pretty well, pretty bright out. As you saw with the lights off, so bright. Let me fix this knocker out here, and yeah, they're really bright. Everything still works. Now let's see if we can climb it. Okay, here we go. Oh no, they curved. I saw that coming. The board was moving. Anyways, you saw I could do it. I only try it and see if the winch can pull it up. Let's get it hooked up. Just made it up. Apparently, driving with two hands works better. Anyway, let's see. What should we test the winch on? Maybe here, maybe? Or let's do steeper boards. It's lined up. Let's see if we can climb it without the winch. Okay, there we go. Okay, it starts slipping. Now let's try and hook up the winch and see if we can climb it with. Okay, let's try out the winch. Tighten it up. Hey guys, let's try it out. Hey, line it up. Okay, let's just try the winch. As you see, alright, go again. It's working. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna put it this like right here. Okay, let's tighten up the winch. I don't know if you guys can see this. Alright, winch is tight, let's pull it up. Alright. I think it is a little too slick for the winch. So let's try something else. Anyway, and we're gonna reel in the winch. Let's tighten it up. Look at it. Make sure. Okay, it looks like it's fine. Tighten it a little more. It's loose. That's too tight. Here. Yeah, it's fine. Let's check on it. Looks like it is good. Winch is all reeled in. And that's gonna be it for the deadbolt, guys. It's a short little video. playing around. Haven't ran in a while. I've been running Slash and Scully for a while. That's gonna be it. Hope you enjoy. There it is, guys. Bam. And with that, all we have to do is flick out the switch right there, and the lights turn off. Now, yes, everything works. Just had to take it out for a while, see if everything works, and it does. Which works. Lights work. There it is. I just turned them off. Motor works, and yeah. Anyways, that's gonna be it for you guys, and see you later. Peace.